Let's just do another example of comparing capacity. All right, so in this problem that we're going to do is we're going to compare 3 gallons to 10 quarts. 3 gallons to 10 quarts. So the first thing I want to do is I want to find my larger unit. I'm comparing gallons and quarts. Which is larger, a gallon or a quart? All right, so I know 4 quarts are in a gallon. The gallon is our largest customary unit, so I know that the gallons is my larger, okay? So I'm going to be multiplying 3 times something. So I'm going to use my conversion chart to see what I'm going to multiply by. I found gallons here and quarts here, okay? So they're on the same line, so I'm just going to use one number. So gallons, 4 quarts are in a gallon, so I'm going to be multiplying by 4. So 3 times 4 is going to tell me how many quarts I have in 3 gallons. So 3 times 4, guys, we know that is 12. So over here, I'm going to have 12 quarts. And over here, I have 10 quarts. I can compare these very easily. 12 is greater than 10. So I'm going to use my greater than sign. That means that 3 gallons is greater than 10 quarts. All right, so I found my larger unit. I multiplied that amount times how many quarts were in 1 gallon, and then I've changed to quarts and I can compare. Let's try one more example that aren't on the same line in our conversion chart. All right, so let's do 36 quarts, and we're going to compare that to 54 cups. We're going to compare that to 54 cups. All right, so first I'm going to think, I want to find my larger unit of measure, quarts and cups. What's greater? Quarts are greater than cups, so I'm going to circle that one. That's what I'm going to be multiplying by, and this is why I wanted you guys to have your calculator so you're ready to multiply some larger numbers. Now let's use our conversion chart. We're comparing quarts and cups here. Here's quarts. I'm not going to use the cup down here because that's on the same side. I need to find the cup on the other side of the equal signs. So quarts is equal to pints, and underneath I have cups. So I need to multiply by both of these numbers, 2 and 2, okay, to get down to where the cups are. So I'm going to come down here and move down. So I'm multiplying by 2 and 2 to get to quarts. All right, so that's 2 times 2. So I'm going to do 36 times 2 times 2. All right, so again, you can put that in your calculator. I am fine with that. I'm going to do 36 times 2 times 2. Or if you could do 2 times 2 in your head, 36 times 4 is going to give you the same thing. I get 144. 144 cups. And I'm going to compare that to 54 cups. Well, that's an easy one, right? 144 cups is way bigger than 54 cups. So I'm going to put my greater than sign in my box. Let's do one more example. Let's do 3 gallons. And let's compare that to 100 cups. 3 gallons to 100 cups. All right. First, I'm going to find my larger unit. What's larger, gallons or cups? Were you thinking gallons? Good, gallons. So I'm going to be doing 3 times something because I have 3 gallons. Let's take a look at our capacity chart here. Here's gallons. I'm going to find cups on the other side. Cups is way down here. I have 3 numbers. I got to multiply 4 times 2 times 2 to get to cups. See that? I have to go over here. I got quarts, pints, and then cups to get to. So I got to multiply 4 times 2 times 2. Let's add that into our problem. 3 times 4 times 2 times 2. Okay, again, you can use your calculator. If you can do it in your head, awesome, because this is one you could probably do mentally. 3 times 4 times 2 times 2. That gives me 48. 48 cups over here and 100 cups over here. So 100 cups is greater than 48 cups, so I'm going to be using my less than sign. 3 gallons is less than 100 cups. All right, so on today's work, you're going to be comparing our customary measurement. You're going to be, again, finding the larger unit, then using the conversion chart to find out what you're going to multiply by. You're going to multiply to find your equivalent measurement, and then you're going to compare the measurements in the same units.